Hello, dear parents. Welcome to LazyToddler Parenting. Today, we will talk about baby weight gain diet plans for babies from 6 months to 12 months. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. If you are a new mom and worried about your baby's weight gain, keep watching this video till the end. Let us start with some general tips for healthy weight gain in babies. Always follow the 3-day rule when introducing any new food to check for allergies. Continue to give breast milk or formula as the main source of nutrition till your baby turns 12 months. Include good fats, like ghee nut powder and coconut in your baby's diet. Try to give 3 solid meals and 2 snacks along with breastfeeding or formula feeds in between. Now let us see what to give your baby from 6 to 8 months. You can start with rice water or moong dal water. You can give fruit purees like banana apple pear and chiku. Vegetable purees like carrot, sweet potato, and pumpkin are good. Ragi porridge is a great option as it is rich in calcium and iron. You can give rice or muang dal khichdi with a little ghee. Homemade cerelac with multigrain mix is also a good choice. Stewed apple or mashed banana with a little ghee can be given. A sample meal schedule can be morning breast milk, mid-morning mashed banana, lunch muang dal khichdi with ghee, evening fruit puree, night ragi porridge, and breast milk on demand. Now moving to 9 to 10 months. At this stage, you can add egg yolk if your baby has no allergies. Paneer cubes or grated cheese can be given. Curd or yogurt without added sugar is good for the baby. You can give suji kheer with ghee and a little jaggery if needed. Vegetable upma and soft idli with ghee are excellent for this age. Dalia or broken wheat porridge is also beneficial. A sample meal plan can be morning breast milk, breakfast suji kheer, lunch khichdi with veggies and ghee, snack curd or fruit, dinner dalia with milk, and bedtime breast milk. Now we move to 11 to 12 months. At this stage, your baby can start eating family foods in soft forms. You can give soft chapati mashed in dal or milk, stuffed parathas with ghee using potato paneer or carrot. Boiled egg or mashed paneer can be included. Vegetable soups with added ghee or butter help in weight gain. Lassi or buttermilk can be given in small quantities. You can add dry fruit powder mix in porridges. A sample meal schedule can be breakfast vegetable upma with ghee, mid-morning snack mashed banana with nut powder, lunch soft rice with dal veggies and ghee, evening snack paneer cubes or fruit, dinner soft chapati and milk and mashed sweet potato, and breast milk at night. Now here are some pro tips for healthy weight gain. Use ghee or butter in small quantities to increase calories. Add nut powders like almond and walnut from 9 months. Offer energy-dense foods like banana potato and paneer. Continue breastfeeding on demand till 12 months. Avoid salt, sugar, and honey before your baby turns 1 year. Thank you for watching LazyToddler Parenting. If you found this video helpful, do like and share with other parents. Comment below if you have any questions about your baby's diet and we will reply. Subscribe for more practical baby care and feeding guidance for your parenting journey. See you in